Hello, in this video we are going to see how we can create the Google tag and conversion linker in our Google Tag Manager. Now we can connect our Google ad account with the Google tag. So first of all, what you need to do is you have to create and click on new button. Just click on Google Tag Manager and click on new button. Here you can click on tag configuration. Here you have two options. Either you can click on Google tag or go in a Google Ads and click on Google tag. Here you have to enter the tag ID of your Google Ad account. Just go back and click on Tools, click on Data Manager, and in that you can click on Manage. Here is our ID. Just copy it and paste it there. If you want a constant variable for this ID, just click on that and click on New Variable Configuration, and here is a constant. Just add the value and just name it Google Ads ID AW and just click on save. And so after that, in the triggering, you have to add initialization all the pages and just name it Google Ads tag ID first tag. Just click on save button. Now you see we have created Google Ad tags ID, and you don't forget to click on submit. Just paste something and click on publish. Now it's live. And now for the conversion linker, you can click on new. Conversion linker is also an important tag for the ads. Just click on tag configuration and click on Google Ads, click on conversion linker, and after that just click on that and click all the pages and just name it conversion linker and click on save. The container is already has a tag with this name. So our tag is created conversion linker, and our first tag is also created of the Google Ads. So if you need any help in Google Ads tracking or in campaign creation in any other thing, you can just do a comment, or you can just come on my WhatsApp. I will guide you properly. And if you need this service, also you can message me on my WhatsApp. So I will create some of other videos related to the conversion tracking in page view, item view, add to cart, checkout, begin checkout, and the purchase. If you want, you can also see all of them for your learning purpose. Thank you so much, and please like, share, and subscribe my video and support this so we can create a useful and informative video for you. Thank you.